Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today I did a better layout of an angel. Got the praying angel here with the dove up here, and over here I got death leaves a heartache that no one can heal, but love leaves a memory that no one can steal. Alright, so we're going to be burning this today. I'm going to start out burning in the writing here. So let's get to it. Heat up my pan and we'll get to it. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the dove. First I'm going to outline it, burn off the ink. Then I'm going to fill it in a really light shade of brown. Alright, now I got the dove and the hair outlined. So I'm going to do them both a very light burn. I'm aiming for a dirty blonde type color. Alright. Okay, next I'm going to outline the face and the hands. I'm not going to fill those with a burn. I'm just going to outline them because she was white and the wood's white. So alright, now I'm going to outline the wings. Alright, now I got all the wing sections outlined. So now I got my spoon shader loaded up and heating up. Then we're going to shade them in. I want a light brown. Darker than we did the hair and the dove, but lighter than what I outlined here. Alright, now I'm going to do the gown. First I'm going to outline it, and then we're going to shade it in slightly darker than the wings. So that's what's coming up. Alright, now I'm going to shade all this. So I'm going to leave her feet, I guess those are her feet, white like the face and the hands. But all the rest of this, I'm going to shade. Alright guys, well, that's another piece created. Just got to sign it. Alright, now it's finished. I might put some polyurethane on it, but there she is. Got the writing over here, the dove up here, and the praying angel. Praying or crying, one of the two. I think that right there might be a teardrop. I don't know. Maybe I was destined to get this stencil. Who knows? But anyhow, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Both of which would really help me out. And I love you guys. Y'all are awesome. Thanks for watching my videos. And until next time, keep on carving and burning.